Zingo, 1, 2, 3, number bingo. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to cover all the spaces on your Zingo 1, 2, 3 card with the matching number tiles. Remove the top from the Zingo zinger and scramble the 72 tiles inside. Load the tiles back in the zinger in 2 equal stacks, then put the lid back on. Give each player a Zingo 1, 2, 3 card. Pick a colored side, either green or red, to play with, and all players must have that side face up. The green side contains images you need to match to with the correct number, while the red side contains an addition equation where the sum is the number needed to be matched. Pick one player to be the dealer, who slides the zinger forward and then back to reveal 2 tiles. When a player sees a number tile that matches an image on their board, they call out the number, then take the tile and covers the corresponding image on their card. The dealer slides any unclaimed tiles back into the zinger through the slot at the top of the device. If 2 or more players need the same tile, then it goes to the player who called for it first. In the case of a tie, the dealer slides the tile back into the zinger. If a player calls for a tile they don't need, then the tile goes to the next player to correctly call it. The first player to cover all 9 spaces on their card shouts Zingo and wins. You can also play where the first player to get 3 images in a row wins, or that you have to be the first player to solve a specific pattern. You can also play where each player has 2 cards, with one card green and the other red. Then the first player to fill both cards wins. Parents, be sure to check out the Parent's Guide on page 8 to 11 for tips on how to use Zingo to improve your child's thinking skills.